2 men arrested in connection with highway murder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
2 men are now in police custody in connection with a murder along a section of the Edward Seaga Highway on Friday night. Reports are that about 10:15 p.m., members of the Jamaica Defense Force traveling on the highway were alerted by a motorist who reportedly saw a body being dumped from a silver Nissan Sylphy. Acting on that information, the JDF officers intercepted the Nissan motorcar with 2 men on board. A search of the vehicle led to the seizure of a Taurus revolver, while blood was seen in section of the car. The men were subsequently detained for questioning. Further checks by the JDF officers led to the discovery of the body of an unidentified male along the roadway. The body was taken to the morgue. The suspects, who are both of St. Catherine addresses, are said to be ages 21 and 35. Their identities are being withheld at this time.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!